Hello, my name is Vinny Casiano, and I'm the founder of the Casiano Law Firm. Today, I want to tell you a little bit about how I became a lawyer and then how I help people in the areas that I practice in. My journey to becoming a lawyer is a bit different than most attorneys, as I only attended the University of California Hastings College of Law in my mid-30s after a career as an officer in the Merchant Marine navigating oil tankers. I have always had a passion for helping people and believed that if I became a lawyer, I'd be able to do that. I really didn't have any specific area of law that I wanted to practice in when I went to law school, but obviously I thought I may go into maritime law. As it turns out, I decided to go out on my own, as they say, throw out my shingle and become a sole practitioner right after law school. I decided when I started my own practice that I would, as a part of my practice, provide estate planning services to clients, as after all, I got an A in law school in wills and trusts. Unfortunately, when it comes to the practice of law, your education begins once you graduate from law school and pass the bar. What I found out very quickly is that I knew next to nothing on how to actually prepare an estate plan, much less the business of running a law practice. I realized that I was going to have to educate myself in the areas of law that I wanted to practice and attend seminars and conferences, read publications and journals, and network with other attorneys practicing in this area. As luck would have it, I decided to attend the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys annual meeting in 2001 in St. Louis. When I went there, I met some incredible attorneys that were passionate about helping people, and I knew I had found a home. So from that point forward, I no longer considered myself an estate planning attorney, but as an elder lawyer and an estate planning attorney. Since 2001, I have attended scores of conferences in the area of elder law, estate planning, probate, trust administration, special needs trust planning, trust and estate litigation, and I've continued to do so. And after 20 years of practice, I consider it to be central for me being able to provide quality legal advice to my clients to continue my education in these areas of law. As a result, I've been able to help hundreds of families in these various areas, and I intend that I will continue to do so for years to come. Know that I do speak with potential clients at no charge to better understand their unique circumstances and to explain how I can help. Feel free to text me at 619-800-6820 or email me at CasianoLawFirm1@gmail.com. I'll send you back some information on estate planning, as well as a link to click on to schedule a mutually convenient time for us to have a Zoom video consult or traditional phone call. I very much look forward to assisting you in any way I can.